how can you attach scanned document files on your iPhone to your Mail app. So let's get started. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and similar videos like this one. Okay, so whenever you scan a document, there are more ways how you can do it. Me personally, I just open up the Files app, go to my specific desired location like a folder. I tap on the three dots in the top right and I click on Scan a Document. And then, of course, I just point at the camera at whatever file or paper I have in front of me, and it will be captured and saved into this folder or a part of my files. And in order to attach this to my email, there are two ways. I can at first locate it in here, hold down on it and click on Share, and choose the Mail app to send the file over, right? So we have the built-in Mail app, but we also have Gmail or even more. So as you can see, when I click the Mail icon, it just makes the document appear to be part of the message, so I can fill out the rest of the details like the recipient and the name of the, like the subject and the body text or whatever. So that is the first way. Or we can do exactly the same thing, but the other way around, where at first you open up the email app on your phone, right? You click on a plus button or the new mail, and when you go to the text field for the actual messages, you can see that more buttons appear, and we need to find the paperclip, then choose to scan a document right away in here. So if you haven't scanned that before, you can scan it directly into the email, but you can as well tap on attach file and locate the one we scanned before, and that's also gonna make it attached to that mail, and you can send it over, fill out the details, and yeah, you are basically done. But that would be all from me. I really hope that I could help you out. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.